Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money between bank accounts in Xero. This is an essential feature for managing your business finances, allowing you to move funds between accounts while keeping accurate records of all transactions. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to Xero.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in to your Xero account using your email address and password. Make sure you have your credentials ready so you can access your account dashboard. After logging in, you'll be on your main Xero dashboard. Look toward the top navigation bar where you'll find a plus button, which is the Create New button. This button is your gateway to creating various transactions and entries in Xero. Click on it to reveal a menu of options. From the drop-down menu that appears, you'll see several choices for different types of transactions. For our purpose today, select Transfer Money from this list. This option is specifically designed for moving funds between your connected bank accounts. You'll now be directed to the Transfer Money page. This is where you'll set up all the details for your transaction. The first thing you need to do is select the origin of the funds by clicking the drop-down arrow on the From field. This field represents which account the money will be coming out of. Take a moment here to ensure you're selecting the correct source account. If you need to add tracking for this transaction, such as assigning it to a specific department or project, you can click the plus Add Tracking option at this stage. Next, you need to specify where the money is going. Click on the To field and select the destination account from the drop-down menu. This ensures the funds will be transferred to the correct account in your system. Now it's time to fill in the transaction details. Add the date when this transfer should be recorded, enter the amount you wish to transfer, and include a reference note. The reference is helpful for future record keeping, so you might want to note why the transfer was made or what it's for. Before finalizing, carefully review all the fields to make sure the details are correct. Double-check the accounts, the amount, and the date to avoid any errors in your records. Once you've confirmed everything looks good, click on Transfer to complete the transaction, and that's it. You've successfully transferred money between bank accounts in Xero, and your financial records are now updated with this transaction. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.